In this quick iPhone 14 tutorial, I'll show you how to use Quick Take Video so you can start recording instantly without switching to video mode. Let's get started. First, open the Camera app on your iPhone. Make sure you're in photo mode. To record a quick video, press and hold the shutter button. If you want to keep recording without holding the button, slide your finger to the right to lock the recording. Your iPhone will continue recording hands-free until you tap the stop button. This feature is perfect for capturing unexpected moments without missing the action. If you want to take burst photos instead, press and hold the shutter button, then slide it to the left. Your iPhone will capture multiple photos in quick succession, so you can choose the best shot later. And that's it. Now you know how to use Quick Take Video and burst mode on iPhone 14. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone camera tips and tutorials.